Here once again. Today I want to walk you through something called full page screen capture. Okay, now with full page screen capture, what we shall do, okay, I was trying something here. Let me just close this one. Okay, so we are going to use this one as our case study, which is Editech Marketing Solutions website. Now you'll find situations where you want to take a screenshot, but you're only limited to the screen size. Yet when you scroll down the website or a page, there are some other sections which you would be needed to be showed to customers or whoever is going to be the recipient of this site. Now normally this video I'm going to make it especially for web developers to try to smoothen your life. See, you can get a project where a customer can tell you to give them a screenshot, to give them a mock-up design. You take a project, they have to pay you some deposit, but they only give you deposit after approving a mock-up design. But then this one takes you up, you have to design a lot of stuff, waste a lot of time, send to them, they approve, they do what, you're wasting a lot of time. So now there is a very short, very nice tool. It's a Chrome extension which helps you to take a full screenshot of any website. Then you can edit it along and then send it to a client for approval. Once they approve, then you design the site accordingly based on the screenshot you send to them. Okay, now for this sake, let us head to Chrome Web Store. How do you get to Chrome Web Store? I think let me close this one so we start again. You can just go here, say you can say Chrome extension, type Chrome extensions in the Google search address bar. Then once it comes, it will take us to the Chrome extension homepage. Sorry, this sub page. And then click on this link, Chrome Web Store. Okay, so this is the link up here. You can keep it if you want. Normally I'm just going to go through it quickly. Now you click on search and then say full page screen capture. Full page screen capture. When you click on full page screen capture, this first one is the one that I use. All of the others are also doing the same work, but I use this one. Reason being, it has been tested and it is already actually installed on my browser. So let us see how it practically works. I'm going to just open our site. Like I told you, Editech Marketing Solutions will be our study site. Okay, so if you reach here and then click on this button right here, which resembles a camera like this, you'll see some magic going on. You see, tap 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 tap. It means it is auto scrolling and taking caption, and screenshotting the different elements of your page. Then after, it will give you a preview. Now when you look at this one, this is a very important thing. This is what you will send to your client. Okay, let us try to download it. So what you do in your time, you download this one, take it to any graphic designing tool like Photoshop, Corel, Fireworks, and then put it there and edit from there. So you can remove this logo, you put customer logo, you put their content, you put all different sections of what they want. Then you put this all together. Let us open this one and see. You put this all together and then upload on the live server. So my next video will be how you get this piece and upload it on the server, then how you optimize it to be mobile responsive and all other stuffs of web development, so that you can send it to a customer for approval. I mean, this is a shortcut. It helps a lot. We were suffering before because you could not do a screenshot. You do a mock-up page. Let's say you have 5 to 10 projects. How do you do a mock-up? So basically, this is it. I'll end the video there, and then in my next video I'll be showing you how to upload this one on the live server. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.